Hello and welcome back to South Coast Level Crossings. This learning is for the 1459 cross-country service from Bournemouth to Manchester Piccadilly. Now this is a unusual formation today, and it's normally formed of just one voyager or supervoyager, but this time it is neg coaches. It's two voyagers coupled together. Go. That was 220.004 and 220.031 with the 1459 cross-country service from Bournemouth to Manchester Piccadilly. Next video will be the 1405 Southwest train service from London Waterloo to Weymouth, and here's the activation for that train. There we go, so this is the 1405 Southwest train service from Waterloo to Weymouth. There we go, that was 444041 for the 1405 Southwest train service from Waterloo to Weymouth. Thank you for watching this video, and I shall see you in the next one as people queue over the crossing. Not very good, but oh well. I shall see you in the next video, and goodbye.